of that?
Echem.
What?
Echem.
What is it?
We used to, at first when you are going to war, that we used to lead the Asante for war.
And I noticed you're doing something with your finger.
Yeah, that when you raise it, to show that Asante is coming. Whenever you see this Echem, you know that Asante is following up.
What about when you turn it and you throw it up?
It's a type of our custom. When you reach a place, when it's playing, you have to wave it like that.
Beautiful. What is your name?
Nadensia.
And are you a member of the family?
Yeah, I'm a member of a family. And my mother is a queen, and my father too is a king.
Oh, great, great.
My mother and Asante Ma came from one father. Yes.